up, guys? Welcome to the first vlog. Just got off work, just grabbing some BK, and I'm about to head to the meet. It's about an hour drive, so yeah, I know that person, the ST. Alright, so since it's been a little while, I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's fucking loud inside the car, but since it's been a while since my last video, a little update. Still full bull zones too on 91. Yeah, that's 219,000 miles, and yeah, I think that's about it. So see you guys at the meet. All right, so I'm at the spot, but nobody's here. I know they went out to the other spot like an hour ago, but yeah, I'm just waiting here because sometimes they come back here. You even see like little donuts right there, but yeah. Abby just got here, but she's taking forever. I think everybody else is over there in the middle at the spot, so I'm gonna head over there. Hey, we're going to like meet up with Jason. Are you guys gonna meet up with Jason? Where? I don't know. I'm just going. I think he's by the garages, like by downtown.
I don't know. Gio's not even with me. He's with Hondeezy. He's getting yelled at.
Really?
Yeah.
This guy again. You roll your window up if you want. Turn this bitch up. He was always in the, he's in the chat before I was, but
I said I think I got the Miata figured out.
Oh. Yeah, he doesn't really talk too much in the chat. Oh. What's up?
Hey, how are you?
Not too bad. He was at Insomnia earlier. Chat. This is the other meetup spot. Let's see. Debating, should I get gas? Nah, I should be good. Is that Zay? Yeah, that's Zay. pretty. Hey. Just pulled up to the meet. Got some decent cars here. Super Sharks 8th gen right there. Camaro. Female cop. What the skippity? One cop. Another one right here. I was like neck and neck. Out here just chilling, waiting for some other guys to show up. Yeah, they pull up.
You want me to buy you one? Give me the money and I'll go buy one.
Hey, we're not leaving yet, right?
What's up?
We're gonna stop somewhere because the shitty transmission is slipping.
What happened?
His transmission is slipping, so we're gonna stop somewhere real quick.
Okay.
We probably gonna stop somewhere nearby.
Alright.
Casino time.
Casino. Casino. Who's this guy?
Oh, yep, there it is. It's not letting me go past a certain RPM. The train.
Well, guys, for this YouTube video, the fucking Audi broke.
I'm gonna actually post this on YouTube.
All right, then.
I might vlog this whole trip
We broke the fucking Audi. I'll get in the car right now.
again.
Hello. What's up?
Is he getting any spark?
Hell no.
Huh? Yeah.
That nigga
Damn.
be sending pictures of that car.
My homie works at the Audi dealer.
Check it back.
It started slipping. You almost hit the car when it started
I
slipping.
think it's got misfire too, dog.
No, there's no misfire.
No.
I checked earlier.
His turbo don't even
Barely. Barely.
That's it slipping. That is literally it slipping.
5 foot, I don't know.
Okay, stand next to him, see if you're at the same height.
Probably. That's my
Pretty
train.
close. No, not next to him.
Not me, bro.
I wish I was recording
Hey,
that.
he didn't even hear me. You didn't even hear me. You could finger him. You wouldn't even know.
Shame.
Die,
Shit.
die.
Are you messing my shit up? Alright, y'all. Now wrap it up for tonight's video. Heading back right now. I got like probably 40 more minutes on this drive. It's about 3:50 a.m. So yeah, not tired really. So yeah, I'll probably be back here next weekend too. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, tonight's really fun. It's probably like my 6th night being out. So yeah, hopefully you guys come back for next week's video, and yeah, I'll see y'all then.